I want more localized communities eh. Kasi parang hinanakit din to ng mga nasa provinces na ba't lagi nasa nasa Manila? Ba't laging concentrated doon? But nangyayari na ngayon yung may mga tech hubs na in Iloilo, in Cebu, in Zamboanga, in Davao. So it's starting na parang yung tech talent na distribute na throughout the archipelago. So I'm hoping na mas dumami yung localized na hindi lang andito lahat. Although syempre matagal bago natin talaga ma-decentralize yung economy natin and yung tech talent. But the way that tech is moving now, nakakapag-create tayo ng event without even meeting in one place. And we can even work without even meeting yung boss mo, di ba? Parang in person. Parang ako, I'm fully remote.